A persistent cough that won't go away? It might be more than just a cold. If your cough is chronic and productive, it could be a sign of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, a lung disease often caused by smoking. COPD damages your lungs over time, making it harder to breathe, leading to symptoms like chronic cough, wheezing, and shortness of breath. If you're dealing with a chronic cough, especially with other symptoms, it's important to get checked by a doctor. While there's no cure for COPD, treatments like inhalers, lifestyle changes, and quitting smoking can help manage symptoms. Don't ignore a chronic cough. Early detection can make a big difference.